Brandon Ingram! What's up, man?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Doing good.
I'm gonna really bring down the crowd. So we have a couple things that we're gonna highlight. We have the Emerge plant-based ground, uncured smoked turkey bacon. We have some Colby Jack cheese, mayo, all the stuffs.
Yeah, let me try to cook some.
All right, let's go. Here, you throw it in that pan right there.
All right.
Turkey bacon. You just go in that same pan, yeah. Good, man, that's good. Watch your fingers. Yeah, you all right. So next week's Mardi Gras.
Mardi Gras.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna be in the house.
Right?
Too much crazy stuff going on for Mardi Gras.
What do you eat down in Nolans?
Beignet.
Beignets?
Yeah, nice.
So you have a chef, they make it for you?
Yep.
You got a little fryer at the house?
Little fryer. Got a little bit of everything.
Got some Simple Truth mayonnaise? You like mayo? You just don't like onion?
That look healthy. Look healthy. Ain't no sugar in it.
Soybean oil, water, egg yolk. What kind of mayo do you eat?
I don't know, but it gotta have some sugar in it.
Don't need no sugar in there, man. Oh wait, look. There's a little bit of cane sugar.
1%.
Only 1%. It's supposed to bridge the gap from burger to healthy. It's done. Feel it. It feels like a burger. You want the bacon on? You gonna try it? You gotta try it.
I gotta try it.
You gotta try it, man. Try it.
Try
It's plants. It's plants. Just try it.
it. Try it.
It's all right.
Try it.
All right's good. It's plant-based. Yeah, Chef Mike.